This is the Comica Vimo Q, a compact 4-channel 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone system designed to capture up to 4 subjects simultaneously for interviews, podcasts, and group video shots. In the box, you get 4 dead caps, a 3.5 to 3.5 TRS cable that you plug to your camera, a cable to plug to your smartphone, a USB-C to USB-C / USB-A cable. Then you have 4 transmitters and a receiver. And once you're done, you put it back. It doesn't fall off. It's really firm. So some of the key features of this wireless transmitter includes
First impressions. All right, so I knew about the shotgun mic. I was very impressed with that. We just had a great conversation about it. I am not liking the price going up like that. I could have sworn it was cheaper before, but either way, it's a great product. So with this already, I'm like, man, this is a premium case. It reminds me of another brand's case, but fitting in 4 mics and keeping it so compact. Battery indicator, USB-C charging to go along with the modern charging updates, place for all your accessories. I mean, 4, right? Like, whether you're going on a mobile podcast, just starting out, and this is the mic setup you have. Now you can have 3 guests and a host, 2 couples. It's endless when you have 4. So I think they did a really good job packing a lot of value for the price. Yeah, looking forward to testing them out some more and getting them on set.
what do you think about the product?
So this is really cool. I like the size. They're pretty small. I also like that you have like real buttons on here for like power and turning the volume up and everything. And I like the ease of use for like podcasts and stuff. So like rather than like having to like put up different mics and stuff, I just pop these on everyone. And I mean, you even also have your 3.5 here, so if you wanted to just add a lav, yeah, that would be really easy.
So what use cases do you see yourself using? What situations?
So definitely podcast, multicam podcast panels at conferences, just to get like the clean audio on that side. And then talking head. Like I love, just popping on a microphone and like talking to my audience and telling them, whatever I need to share. So these are super clutch. And you can just put them right on the camera and with the receiver and then do a line in. That's how I like to best record my content. So yeah, I really like these, man.
For the battery life, you get up to 8 hours on the transmitters and receiver, and you get up to 16 hours with the charging case. I feel that this Comica Q microphone, for the price, is giving you way more value. Yes, it doesn't have 32-bit float audio, but at the end of the day, you're doing a podcast, you're doing an interview with multiple people. You're not going to be worrying about all that. You're going to try to set your audio levels properly. But also, this device lets you mic up to 4 people, which we don't have much of such options right now in the market. And for the price, you're really getting value for your money. Until the next video, it's peace.